Shift Hui is a chance for rainbow young people from all over the country to gather together and be in a space where they are understood and amongst other people and just get to be themselves without worrying. Meeting all of the young people and seeing them from year to year, I love it. It's watching them grow and become stronger, and seeing everyone, thinking about consent and connecting with each other and learning from one another, and going from the first night where everyone doesn't really know anyone to just being like best friends by the end of it. Also the talent show. The talent show is incredible.
I think a lot of people don't have like a safe space. I think it'd be really nice for them to know, like, if it was a bigger thing, they'd like get to know that there is like a place where people like them are, and like, they can just do things that they want to do without any limitations.
I just think that it's so cool that we have this time in this place for people to come together, and it's so accessible. The only way I can really describe it is that it's a place where people can be like vulnerable and be themselves, because as you said before, a lot of people can't actually do that in their homes or in their schools because it's not a safe space for them. And so here it's really good.
So far I've just enjoyed Summer Tour, kind of watching them open up and just really express themselves comfortably. There's always that initial worry, like I don't want, I'm used to being like feeling like an outcast or like I don't belong, but here I feel like I fit in. Yeah, because they're able to make friends. They're learning more information about other people in their community, but also just knowing that they're valid and that they're good enough, and just this continuous learning cycle, and even just getting more information from other people to help themselves as well.
I don't think there's much like it anywhere else in the country, and it's something it's an experience like that often rainbow young people are excluded from, like in terms of camps or talent shows. They can't engage in those activities as themselves often in other places, and we know that these young people have a really high rate of volunteering, and this gives them an opportunity to use that energy in a supported space, and also for our older people to like give back to our young people and help them the way they were helped.